22nd, 2025 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. 4 teenagers flee after an officer attempts to pull them over for reckless driving. Unknown to the officer, the teenagers are recording the police chase on their phones for fun and are about to make the worst mistake of their lives.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh.
Peace, peace, fam. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to everybody out there. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Here, I put that extra peace in it. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. You know who it is. It's your boy, Romy Rome in the house. In your mouth. Romy Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. The title of this video is Teen Records 119-mile-per-hour Police Chase on Snapchat. What's wrong with the young bucks these days? Everything got to be viral. Everything got to be live. Everything got to be on the social medias. All right, so let's jump into it and see what happened on the medias because they social. And then we're going to talk about the social medias.
4-5 dispatch. You can put me in pursuit for reckless driver. It's going to be a great Nissan. We're going to be southbound 894.
Hey, no, just stupid, yo.
It looks like occupied 4 times. We're still going southbound 894 at Lincoln. Just right into the express.
You know what I mean? This is dumb.
Not yet. Closing up the gap right now. Oh, crash.
Crash.
Send me extra units. It's going to be southbound 94. Green.
Dummies.
It looks like he's trying to take off still. It's going to be a female. Wisconsin State boy, Adam Edward.
Come on, you got to pit him.
He's still going southbound 894 Oklahoma.
Don't hit him. Just pit him.
He's still going. He's slowing down now.
Copy, 94 southbound Oklahoma.
I could not get him. He literally just spin out in traffic. Southbound 94 Oklahoma Avenue. 4-5 dispatch. If you want to patch me in. We're going to get off the freeway right now. We're going to go westbound at Oklahoma.
Copy that. 4-5 with another vehicle hit.
8 firm, lane 1. Alright, now we're going to go 103 in Oklahoma, going southbound 103.
No, that patrol squad's going to take the crash.
We're positive that patrol squad is taking this crash?
I hope so. 3-4's got the crash. 963 copies. We're pulling up to Oklahoma now.
Ooh!
Damn.
Looks like we're like in a manufacturing plant. Still going southbound. We're going to be 103 in Ohio, southbound.
Yo, I wonder if the other 3 in the car are just like, hey, bruh, slow down. Are they scared? Are they hyping him? What are they doing? Are they all filming it right now? Like, what's going through your head? What would be going through your mind if you wasn't about that life? If you like, look, bruh, just stop. And they take off and send you, and you don't want to, send you on a chase like this, smashing on the freeway. Like, drop in the comments what you would do. Would you try to stop him? You know what I mean? Because you can't try to stop him. You're going to cause an accident. You know what I mean? What would you do? Or are they just stuck for the ride and they got to see what happens? Because now their lives are in that driver's hands. And if he crashed or anything like that, they could all be gone. Stupid ass boy.
Great Nissan. One for reckless vehicle. Southbound Oklahoma from Ohio.
Looks like he's going
nowhere to go. Nowhere to go. Pitting.
Looks like Afro. Plays gonna be out of Wisconsin. Boy, Adam Edward. I got a partial plate. It looks like we're looking around at 101 and Ohio. All right, now we're going eastbound on 101 in Ohio, going up back to Oklahoma right now. All right, he's slowing down. He's slowing down. Show me your.
You just gonna stop?
Hands up now!
You just stopped and gave up.
Do not move, you understand? Okay.
Sir, I'm not. I'm scared.
Hey, hands up!
I'm scared.
Hands up!
I'm scared.
Okay, hands up.
You mean you scared? You weren't scared when you was driving.
103
And it tased him for no reason.
103, no problem.
The driver's out. I did not come out and get out. Hey, boss, stay on the ground for me, please. Stay on the ground. All the way down for me, please. Boss, all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. Hey, yes, sir. Legs down, everything.
He's right here, like Oklahoma and 103, so make a left. 963 to 45. You're on 103 in Oklahoma still, correct?
Hey, firm, just shoot southbound. You'll literally see me.
Copy. Make a left.
Westbound to pursuit, stolen white Acura, northbound Mayfair Road from North Avenue.
Go!
These are 90 like traffic.
103, 103, 103. This is 99. Turn around.
Coming up to Burt 5. Close if you're listening, coming up to Burt 5, Center Street here.
Yep, right here, right here.
He said turn south when we get to 103.
Still wrong lane of traffic. You get bogged down.
Right here, we turn.
Correct.
Yep.
There's no traffic on his side now. He's still wrong lane, on right lane.
963 is 23. Go past him, go past him.
Everybody, get your hands up! Right there!
Put me in or out. Copy.
Hands up!
Everybody hands up!
Driver, slowly stand up and face away from us. Slowly stand up. All right, driver.
Hey, Monty, I got it. Driver, take a step to your left now. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Now walk backwards towards the sound of my voice. Keep going.
Keep backing up, keep backing up, keep backing up, backing up.
Move.
Driver side passenger, with your left hand, open the door from the outside. Left hand. Keep your hands up. Get out of the vehicle. Face away from us. Face away. Keep going.
Girls in the car, man.
Stop. Now walk backwards towards the sound of my voice. Keep going. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Stop right there.
I didn't do anything. I was literally on my phone in the back seat. Can I get my phone, please?
No.
I didn't do anything.
What's your phone? You can get in the back of the police car and shut up.
Rear, the back of the rear. Keep walking, keep your hands raised. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Front seat passenger, keep your hands raised.
I'm on your left. Stand by, we're taking the last one now.
All
four in
girls,
custody,
bruh.
vehicle is clear. Any other units coming can slow down.
That's why he stopped.
I'm trying to pay off your loan.
Stop calling me. You sound like a psycho. I swear to God.
I'm calling you.
I guaranteed the reason he stopped because he had 3 young ladies, women, girls, whatever you want to call them. He had them in the car and they was in there spooked, scared. They was probably screaming, telling him to stop, please stop, I'm scared. Call my mama, I'm going to call my daddy. We done got to an accident, just stop the car. I guarantee that's what happened. And dude was like, all right, I'm going to stop. I got these girls in this car. It could have ended way worse, and that would have been sad to lose 4 young lives. So good thing is he stopped. Now let's figure out what he was running for.
Have them send a flatbed. There's pretty heavy damage to the front.
It's a purple iPhone.
Okay.
Can I please get
Just
it, please,
not right
sir?
now, no.
I just want to tell you that I literally was telling him, like, I was on my phone. I didn't even know what was happening until he hit the car. I was on my phone. I was texting.
I know you were video streaming or taking a video of us too, right? Because you were the backseat passenger.
Well, I was
on the
one of
driver's
the
side.
backseat
Yeah.
passengers, but I was like taking like a video of myself though, and then I was like kind of zoned out of the conversation, and then I realized what was happening, and I kept telling him, I'm like, just stop, and he wouldn't stop. And I was texting my brother to come get me because I'm like, I don't want to be a part of this. I had nothing to do with this.
Is that part on your video too?
No, because it cut out. I'm gonna be honest, I was drinking a little, so like I'm not really like paying attention to really what's going on behind me.
Sit tight.
Let me switch the car real quick.
You're not paying attention to get somebody smashing. You're right.
Open and touch.
I'm definitely
So, from my understanding, it looks like there might be some recordings.
There's not.
There's not?
No.
I'm going to have to keep
There's no evidence on there.
I'm going to keep this for evidence. I'm going to do a search warrant on your phone. Unless you want to prove me wrong.
I can prove you wrong.
Absolutely. It says Snapchat. So that's you in the car with
That's the last thing.
me behind you guys. So is it okay if I could save this?
Sure. Me personally, I'm like recording, taking videos of myself, like listening to the music, singing to the music, and that's what I'm doing.
Well, there's a cop behind you guys. You guys going 120 miles per hour.
I didn't notice that.
My concern part right here is that, you know, he literally hit someone.
Yeah, I know. That's my concern too. I want to know if they're okay. I had no part in this, okay? I'm not encouraging it. I was discouraging it. As telling him to pull over. The reason he pulled over is because I kept begging him to pull over. I felt scared. I am not this type of person, okay? I can't control other people. I'm a teacher, okay? I have a lot to lose.
So
you're a teacher?
Okay, you got 1, 2, 3.
She said she was a teacher. Didn't she look like she was like 15 years old? Even though the teachers nowadays do be looking like they just turned 20. But you're a teacher and you should definitely know better. Definitely know better. Because you would think your teacher would teach that to kids. Don't be drinking and driving. You know what I mean? Be responsible. Well, she's not.
Those are not from the...
You sure? Because that one looks like you're really terrified. And that one looks like you're really terrified. That one, it looks like you're looking at the back. Looking, trying to, like, you know, you're trying to get
those it is. I'm not talking about...
Not the bottom one's no.
Yeah,
I'm just
whatever you guys need. I just want to get out of here.
All right, boss. So from just seeing the alcohol in the vehicle, man, all right, I believe that you might be impaired. Okay, you know you're not even 21, right? Were you drinking today?
Not even 21.
At what time?
2:30 is like a little mixed drink, like 5%.
5%? The whole thing?
About it.
What's up with the fleeing, man?
I guess I just panicked.
Simple ticket, man.
Yeah. Me, I thought I was already speeding. I just went to talk to the prosecutor the other day. I just got some tickets dropped. And I wasn't trying to get in no more trouble.
Man, you literally had 3 females, and one was your girlfriend, right?
And my baby mom.
Your baby mama in the vehicle, man, and you literally almost ended all their lives just from crashing into that one car. And you still continue fleeing. That's almost inhumane, to be honest. That sounds like not a human being.
No.
Are you a criminal?
Definitely not.
Well, that action was criminal. Hey, you're looking at felonies. Have you ever been arrested before?
Arrested?
For what?
Yes. Possession of paraphernalia.
So is that what you're tossing out of the vehicle, or?
No. Years ago when I was younger.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm trying to get a job. I had a job.
How's your license? Is it valid?
I have a license, yes. I just got pulled over 2 times for speeding.
I'm gonna put you in front of my squad, and we're gonna do a couple tests. Let's go in front real quick. So you had nothing to take? You only had 1 beer or whatever? One little...
Yeah, I'm shaking. I'm nervous.
Yeah, your eyes shaking a lot. So that's why you ran away. Okay, you may begin. Alrighty. Okay.
Are you ready? All right, deep breath. Blow. You know what the legal limit in the state of Wisconsin is?
Isn't it like 0.01 or something like that?
0.08.
But for you, it's 0.
What? Yeah. Because you're 19, right? Yeah. All right, what does that say? 0.16.
Malachi Smith, 19 years old, was charged with first-degree recklessly endangering safety and fleeing or eluding an officer, resulting in bodily harm or property damage. The collision caused significant damage involving Smith's vehicle, a civilian car, and a Freightliner semi-truck. The victim of the highway crash was taken to the hospital with moderate injuries and was later released in stable condition. All others were temporarily detained pending investigation and released. They are not suspected of wrongdoing. Malachi is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
So if he was 19 and that girl said she was a teacher, how old was she? Because I don't know no 19-year-old teachers. I don't know if no 20-year-old teachers. I don't know if no 21-year-old teachers. 23, 22, I guess, if you're smart in college, you get through it pretty fast. But why is a teacher allowing a possible student to drive the car crazy like that, and then you in the back recording it because all y'all lit, pretty much? That's what it was. They was lit, having a good time. He went too far. And I don't know, when we was kids and we were scared of the cops, we would run, but it was more so like, let's just disperse so they can't catch none of us. You know what I mean? Or we did it for fun. We would get up in a group of people, right? and act like we doing something, and the cops drive by and we just run just for fun. But we also understood too that, hey, we can't guys stay doing this, and we can't do it so much because you get in trouble, you know what I'm saying, or one of us might get caught and then all of our asses get in trouble because all of us are getting our asses whooped. But these kids nowadays, they just like, I'm scared, I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna make everything worse. You know what I mean? Like, that's the wrong reaction. So is it the parenting? Is it the soft parenting? That's what they call it nowadays, the soft parenting. Is it the soft parenting because these kids ain't got their ass whooped enough like we did? Because when we messed up the littlest things, we used to get our asses whooped. I remember one time me, my brothers, and our cousin got our asses whooped for playing house. For playing house. My grandmama didn't play that. She was strong in the church. She was as strong as Jehovah's Witness, and everything we did was worldly. You couldn't play video games, worldly. You can't play house, worldly. You can't be in a room by yourself with another friend or a cousin because it's worldly, and I don't know what's going on, and I just see everything that's going on. You can't even think for yourself because it's worldly. You like that? Yeah, that's like a freaking coat. But hey. You know what I mean? Like, it's just different. It's just different. Ain't enough switches and kids getting stitches these days. You go outside and get a switch. What? That was the wrong. Or you get a vacuum cleaner cord, or I mean, all type of stuff. Boy, we used to get hit with the broom upside our head, all that stuff. You know what I mean? Like, now you can't. None of that stuff can be done. And so these kids have more freedom. They're bold. You know what I mean? They're more aggressive. They don't care. They don't listen. And they just do stuff just cause, seems like. Something needs to change. Looks like more ass whoopings need to start be getting given out. Just cause. You wake up, you ain't clean your room, come over here so I can whoop your ass. You be like, dang, mama. Call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Rome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Like, oh. I say, oh, you know what to do. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your minds right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, spread the word. The lives are going down Tuesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tuesday, 6 to 8. Saturday and Sunday, 4 to 6. All right? I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be easy.